Hi, I'm Eric Jensen with Jensen Injury Law, and a lot of clients tell me that they have full coverage and there's nothing to worry about. But unfortunately, what full coverage means is that they probably have the mandatory minimum coverage in Georgia, which means that they have liability coverage of $25,000 per person and $50,000 per accident total. The term full coverage often doesn't include things like collision coverage, which can help get your vehicle repaired if the other person doesn't have insurance. It often doesn't include rental coverage, which would provide you with a rental car. And it almost never includes what's called uninsured or underinsured motorist coverage, which is insurance that will cover your injuries and damages if the other person, again, has no insurance, or if the insurance that they cover is not adequate to compensate you for all of your damages and injuries. So if you think you have full coverage or you're just not sure what type of coverage you have, give us a call. We'll explain what type of coverage you need to have in order to protect yourself in the event of an unfortunate accident.